welcome to Alhamdulillah channel animals. Makcik, pakcik, like and subscribe, okay?
Frog, or in scientific languages a neura, is often referred to as an insect-eating amphibian animal, which lives in fresh water or on land, has slippery skin, green or red-brown in color. Frogs have longer hind legs, are good at jumping, swimming, and frogs have a smaller body than toad. While toads, another name for bangkong, have rough, pustular skin that is often dry, or humped, and their hind legs are often short, and toads are larger than frogs. So most toads are less good at jumping far. Frogs and toads live widely, especially in the hot tropics. The colder the place, the more they like it, because it is moist and watery, such as on top of mountains or in temperate regions, but the number of toad species tends to be smaller. One of them is because toads are cold-blooded animals, to maintain their life and maintain their metabolism, which requires heat from its environment as well. This animal can be found from jungles, river banks and swamps, deserts, to human settlements including plantations and rice fields. Well, this is called a tree frog or leaf frog. It has a small body and long legs. It's good at jumping long distances, unlike the big toads before it. Various types of frog names that have a lot of colors, such as Amazon frogs, glass frogs, strawberry frogs, and many more, including this tree frog. And also their habitats and populations are growing continuously. Green tree frogs are sometimes known as bell frogs, because during the mating process they will make a loud sound, like a horn or a sniffing nasal sound that is suddenly repeated up to 75 times per minute, such as Om Telalit Om. Frogs are carnivores and predators that are agile when jumping. If you keep frogs, then their diet is not just a bag of crickets. Adult frogs feed on fresh insects, snails, and other similar small animals. Frogs generally reach maturity when they are in their third year. In February or March, the frogs will begin to gather in a favorite spot near the pond, where they breed through mating. Like fish, Almost all frogs fertilize eggs externally. Male frogs will externally fertilize eggs released by females into the water. Once laid, a female frog can lay more than 2,000 eggs. Each egg has an average diameter of small, 2–3 millimeters. The eggs are encased in a jelly capsule, which swells to 10 millimeters. Gradually, the eggs will then develop into adult tadpoles. This can take 10 to 19 days, depending on the location and temperature. From adult amethysts, they will continue to reproduce to become adult frogs, grow perfect legs, hands and noses. Of course they can make the sound of a horn, Om Telalit Om.
Alright guys, next we will discuss about other cute animals. Watch only on Alhamdulillah channel about animals. Thank you for watching. I am Kabulo Tak Tahu Pula Esa.